Welcome to Advocate P.R. Mundargi Primary English School Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn Standard 6 Subject Mathematics Chapter number 1 Basic Concept in Geometry. Mathematics is divided in two different parts. First is algebra and second is geometry. In algebra we learn about numbers with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. But in geometry, we will learn about two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. What is geometry? How is geometry word formed? Word geometry is formed with two words, geo which means earth and word metron which means measurement of earth. In every object around us, we can observe geometrical shapes. For example, sun. Sun is a circular in shape. Hills. Hills are triangular. Our house, our school building is rectangular or square. Your books, bags, tiffins, everywhere on the earth there is geometry. Euclid, the great mathematician, is the father of geometry. Here are basic elements of geometrical figures. First point, second line, third line segment and fourth ray. A point is as shown by a tiny dot. We can use sharp pencil to make the dot. The dots in Rangoli are the symbols for point. Rangoli is the best example of geometry. In Rangoli, we can include all the geometrical shapes. A point can be given a name. Capital letters are used for giving names. For example, if we see below, there are 2 points and capital letters are symbolizing the points. Hence, we can call them point A and point B. We have taken 2 points. When we join them, we get the straight line AB. Point A and point B are called endpoints. If there are endpoints, then it is written as line segment AB. Similarly, when we join A and B points, we can extend the line in both directions till the edges of the paper. To show the extended line on paper, we can use arrowheads at both ends of the line. Line has no endpoints. We can write the name of line as line AB or only line L. Look at the picture. What do you see? Light rays from the sun and torch start from a point and go forward continuously in one direction. The starting point of a ray is called the origin. In above, ray P is the origin. An arrowhead is drawn to show that the ray is infinite in the direction of Q. The figure can be read as ray PQ. Look at above pictures. What kind of surfaces do you see? Table and blackboard contain flat surfaces. Flat surface is called plane. There are some activities for you. Activity number 1. Draw a point on the notebook and now tell me how many lines can be drawn passing through this point. An infinite number of lines can be drawn through one point. When two or more lines passing through the same point, they are called concurrent lines, and common point T is called point of concurrence. Now second activity. There are 9 points in this figure. Choose any 2 points and draw lines. How many lines can you draw from these 2 points? One and only one line can be drawn through any 2 distinct points. Collinear points. Three or more points which lie on a single straight line are said to be a collinear points. Lines which lie in the same plane but do not meet each other are called parallel lines. If these lines meet each other, then it is called intersecting lines. By this, we have completed your first chapter, Basic Concept in Geometry. Please write down all the slides in your maths notebook and solve practice set 1 for homework.